G'day swingers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope you enjoy. This week's episode is something a little bit different, just some mine exploration. Now we'll give you a heads up and warn you there is plenty of filthy language in this, but that's what happens when you get together with the boys and have some fun exploring mines and just get up to normal everyday banter. Unfortunately, just so you know, I have to split this episode into two because we explored, I think, 3 or 4 mines in this episode. And I have another episode for next week, which is us exploring just one solitary mine, which is taking off from the end of this episode coming up now. But there's a whole 40 minutes worth of episode here, so plenty to watch. And I hope you enjoy. Grab yourself a coffee and enjoy the show.
G'day swingers. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today we're exploring mines. So, I'm not going to talk too much. We're just going to get straight into it. Let's have some fun.
Just slide straight down on your back now. Before you get there, you've got to pull your fly. The air doesn't look too good. Just like the button, it looks cloudy in here.
Bit dusty. The old track. Not much left of it. The old timber's still in place down here. Nice big mine too. Oh, a bit low. We got a turn. Stoppage. Looks like they went down at some point. They were going up for a shaft, but they stopped. This is a bit more shonky in here. Inch. Wow, look at all the old pick marks. Cheapers. Okay, so little refuge. Obviously when they're moving the carts. Bit of a collapse here, not too bad. Collapses in front as well. Okay, so this stoped up is at another level. I'll get rid of one of the torches for now. Might be slicking sides even, bro.
So that went to the surface and it got burnt.
Yeah.
Oh no, maybe not.
It does look like it. There's a lot of sooting up in here.
Could just be the ground, there's pick marks up there.
Yeah, true actually. Yeah. Used to go up there to collapse back in through the surface. A little labyrinth going on. Do much down there? Yeah.
A lot of water come down through here.
We got a little bit of a ways this way too.
Goes to the left again.
have been an old, I think this is an old stope.
Oh God.
Or an old wind's top. What the? This is one of the coolest ones we've gone in for a while. Right. That's interesting. Yeah, it does a weird dog leg and it stops. Like it goes around in a bit of an arc and then it does a 90-degree left and it only goes about 600 and stops.
This could go down at some stage.
Yeah, I reckon that did. It feels a bit soft underfoot there. A bit hollow. Yeah, definitely fire in there, man. You can see there's charcoal in here.
You look feel that in, like all those birds come from out of there, right? You look in there and you think, how the fuck did they dig that out? There's a little hole that goes right around and
Keep going.
about this fuck there, about this small.
Yeah, that's backfill off the track. And there's another one that goes in there.
Yeah, and that one keeps going too.
Yeah, wow. That's definitely a crawl and a half. Yeah, and it looks like it faces, but it may actually have a right-hand turn. Oh, here we go.
I don't think it does.
It might even be too tight for me. There's a left there, but it's fucking tight. Oh what?
Yeah. You think there was a left there, fucking back. Well, what's it coming from? Fucking doing that, man. Fucking doing it, mate. The fucking take it in. That's it, fucking take it in.
Yeah.
Hard to find a little hole, man.
Yeah, just faces.
A fucking rabbit would get in for it. Explain to me how they get the pick in there.
No, they've backfilled it.
Oh, okay.
Because there's actually a tunnel going back that way as well.
Yeah, you're right. Crazy.
Oh yeah, man. Like they've had the track all over here, so they've just taken it back and gone dump, 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 dump. Alright, stand up tall again. Very carbon rich. A bit of gold. No, just a bit of quartz while shining the right way.
That cool playing is fucking awesome. You haven't got a pick on it.
White shirt was the wrong choice in mine. Probably just that fine you can't see the shit. Alright. Alright, should be a bit cooler now. Take off 3 layers. There's a definite old shaft going down. This is one of their old timbers. No doubt for bracing through here. And then continue on the main way. Leave jacket and everything there. Purples and that.
Nice enough.
Yeah.
Black as well.
Very black. Where's this bit? Just dirty.
I got a belly crawl for you, mate.
Oh. Nice. That's a good one. In I go.
What is it?
Oh, tight space. There's another tunnel next to us, dude. Yeah, it's backfilled to here. There's a little tiny hole poking through, like not even foot round, like a peephole. Ugh. Just tying this beard up, get it out of the view. Yep. This faces, looks like maybe used to be an old shaft there. Now we've got to turn around. Nah. It's got a weird peephole that pokes through into the tunnel just beside us. Weird, they got two
Yeah.
side by side just doing that. Oh. Old tin can. Then changes ground.
I'm gonna get out of this cunt.
Yeah. Yep.
You haven't got much out of you.
No.
Chased a couple of these fucking corpse pockets and they... The whole thing's pretty good.
Go back to Walhalla and spot them.
There's a fucking second slide here, so they're chasing it.
Oh yeah.
I'm hoping it hits corpse.
Obviously wasn't enough to tickle their fancy.
Oh god.
Fucking frogs as well, look out.
Yep, bad gas, bad air.
Look at crystallisation in that there. Yeah, look at this here. Look how crystallised that is.
Yeah.
We all get so dirty. Yeah.
Well, it was called Short Fellows for a reason, wasn't it?
Yep. Try the biggest one.
Maybe.
What's that there? Slate rock.
Rock. Country rock.
I'll switch off and we'll turn back on the next one. There's a big old termite mound. Fucking giant. That's it. Thing's taller than I am. Well, that's eye height. Big sucker. Yeah. Monster. We got another one here. Second mine for the day.
Go on that.
Now I'll squeeze past so I don't get you in a film. Look at this, it's got water in it.
Go on.
Well, it was crystal clear.
Hurry up. The cloud is growing.
As you can see, she's very clear in here. Getting close to depth.
Good gas bubbles coming up.
Hmm.
That ain't good.
No. Goes a bit of a ways.
Yeah. Things around to the right.
Stick to the side. Yeah.
Like an inch from the top of the gumboot.
Yeah, it looks like it drops down too, well, just slowly.
I think it comes back up though. I
Okay.
think this bit's just the deep bit.
We're not far from Gumboot, man. Like,
No.
we're getting very close to the top of Gumboot. Like, look at this.
Which side's better?
They're
Wilson's.
a little bit.
Mine's doable.
I'm tippy toeing. Nope, I just got water. You can't tilt your boot. Water goes in, you got to keep them dead straight. Oh God. It's like fucking borderline. Like I'm watching the top of my boot and there's only like 10 mil. Just make sure you try and stay as straight with your boots, because if you tilt them, you'll fill them. Oh fuck, it's close.
Is it getting any better?
Not really.
It's starting to smell.
Fucking went over my boot.
Yeah, no, I think we skip this, because fuck. I got one wet foot already.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, it tilt when I was like walking forward, just that tilt was enough.
Maybe another metre. What's down to your right?
It just stops, it just goes in there. Just stops. The things I do for you guys on YouTube. No. Yeah, no, like,
Come this way. I suppose you can't from here on in now.
yeah, I think it's, yeah, we're gonna have to call that.
I want to get down there.
Well, that sucks.
It smells too. It smells like you keep farting or something.
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, actually. I just copped that for the first time. I haven't smelled that yet. Oh, God, I'm sort of stuck. This mud's a bit thick.
You might be on the gutter side, that side.
Maybe. I can tell you it's deeper. No, second boot. You can't tilt your feet at all. You gotta stand on your tippy toes and keep them dead straight.
I'm standing flat foot.
Not this side, you can't.
Jump over.
Yeah, that's a bit higher.
It's fucking at least 200 mil deeper than what it was when we were last.
Yeah.
I don't remember this bit at the front of it though.
Oh, fucking more water in the boot.
Hello, mine.
Yes. They're fun little critters to see. With the wet feet, they're not fun at all. Oh, there's a spider in here too. Oh, nasty. Weird place for him to be living. God damn. Freaking wet feet.
Can't get in my fucking car as wet, so
God damn it.
my boot too.
Next one. In fact, yeah, let's show you what my boots do too. Because my left one copped it more than my right.
I'm fucking drenched.
Not enough to tip anything out, I don't think. No, but my socks are dripping out.
Yeah, I got full fucking drenched. My boot full.
Yeah. And I don't have other socks, so they know exactly what. Jesus. It really got him.
Yeah.
Sucks. Fucking wet mines. Nothing worse than a wet mine.
Just really waders next time.
Yeah, at least if we get some hip waders anyway.
Yeah.
Just those waist ones. And at least we can get up to our balls deep and it's not going to matter. Because I'm over these fucking tiptoeing through gumboot shit.
Yeah. Didn't think it was going to be that deep.
No. But we have had a bit of rain last couple of weeks, so probably made its way through the fractures. Filled it up a bit more from the back end somewhere. But oh.
Start digging now. Give you a shovel.
Yeah, well,
Dig it out.
got the pick. We'll drain it.
drain the tank.
We might be back to you. No, this fuck that. We're kidding. Come on, the next one. Oh, sort of give you a glimpse of how steep it is at the moment. We're going down trying to find one of these mines. This one here. I'm hoping we can get into. Lidar's been very helpful today. Oh, jumping jack nests. They're pretty pissed off today, even though it's wet and cold. But see how we go. Oh. This makes it so much easier. We've got leeches today too, so gotta check ourselves for them, and they're tiny little suckers. Haven't seen them that small before. We got back in the car after that last one. Noticed we had a couple on us each. Joy. Alright, should be around here somewhere on this flat area. Oh. Bit slippery. Sliding all over the joint with this loose rock and shit. Alright. So lidar is saying somewhere just up here. Well, there's a big old cable wheel, bro. Yeah, we're onto something. The size of that, guys. The old winch drum. Half, 3/4 inch cable. We got the gear, the stopping wheel.
There you go.
And we got the adit. Oh, jeebus. Mini cam. Oh, yeah. Alright, so lidar's done it again for us. Thanking you very much. Big work zone here. Alright, phone can go away because it's adit time. Let's get at it. Yep, easy access. Bit shonky looking at the front, but should be right. Don't need those. I need... What do I do with that? Don't tell me I left that one in the car. Oh no, it's in the other pocket. Ugh. Head torch. And then night owl. And let it be light. And then if we need to, we've got a third. Tilt this up a bit, give us a bit more of a view. Decent size mine. Oh, we've got bats. We have bats.
Awesome. Look out, cunt! They're coming! They're coming for you!
Bats!
No, they're back. Not the... Ah!
I only just got near them.
Oh, they're coming to you, cunt!
They just dropped and came at you.
I don't know which way to fucking go now.
Just keep low, you'll be right. And just make some noise, they'll be fine. There's a whole bunch up there. Everywhere you see a shit pile, there's everywhere you see these, there's one above them. Shh, shh, shh.
Stop stomping and be fucking quiet.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
There's a lot of them.
Track.
Oh. There's a whole bunch above me there. They're everywhere. So many of them.
Taking the head off there.
Every single one of the, just so you know, every ship hole you see, there's a roost above.
Where the fuck are these come from? Yeah. No.
It's like they just started backpiling. Maybe that was during the war period. They just emptied what they had in their carts and got them out for steel.
Jesus Christ, dude. You come around the corner door. Fucking drizzles, man. That's a big pile of that shit.
There's so many of them. Whoa! Look at them all.
Fucking hell, that low, man.
Look at them all.
Alright, they're coming back pretty soon after going down.
Yeah, we've got them coming back from the other direction too. Just keep low.
Nothing go for this. This is horrible.
The other way is just as bad, dude. Alright. It's alright, it collapses up there. Whoop, they just clipped me head.
Oh, little dude, look out.
Alright, we got a collapse. There's a small hole there going up into it.
Up you go.
I don't know if we can go past it. Like it's a tiny, tiny crawl space. Oh, there's a shaft there. So it goes up into a shaft, which has collapsed down, and that's what this is. I don't think so. That's tight.
Fucking fun road, man.
Isn't it? Yeah, I just felt my hair touch it. Oh.
Yes, that just ends right there.
Yeah, there's another collapse by the look of it.
Might go up. We're gonna get hit by that.
Mm.
Well, there's a few in there.
And it just goes up a little ways.
Yep.
Torch in there. Yeah.
Look at
Probably
all
gone
that.
down there at one stage.
No way through.
No.
How cool does that look though?
That's
Now it just disappeared. Whoop, there's one more to go. Used to be an old shaft. Alright, well, this one's done.
You could mess with those parts. You got infrared on the front.
Go in front. Yeah.
isn't the main.
No. This is a hope to hit something that they've got down below.
They had tracks. I don't know.
Well, I could have gone past where that fucking shaft was, probably. See, there we go. There's these little bats. Look how tiny they are. He just went. Oh wow.
I'm gonna get that virus.
Uh-oh.
You can't tell if they're coming at us or not.
Bit of both. They're winging past us on both directions.
It's just gonna be faster.
Yeah, dude, let's keep to one side, stick to the left. At least that way they might have a chance of getting through.
What's in there?
Condensation or... They're thick. They're getting thicker.
They didn't wake up for me. All
Nah.
of a sudden, bang, they were just fucking.
Yeah, well, they were talking their asses out. Wombies, yeah. What size of this print? Good size.
Fucking hell, man, listen to that. Let's send them all back towards them.
Yeah.
You watch them when you're walking or?
I reckon the clicking there might have actually helped. Gave them something to hear.
Stop that, Ty.
You'd have sent like every single one of them back to the boys. They'll be freaking out.
It got me.
That's gonna look cool. Because there was some of them that were like literally just ducking in right in front of the camera like that. I'll slow it down. You got hit in the eyeball. Nasty. Bastards. Alright, next one. Size of this old sucker. Imagine the thump that made when it hit the ground. Oh, I can just limbo under it. Well, not limbo, but slide your legs apart under it. Those little red ones? Yeah, sure. And they're plentiful out here. We're talking about these little red mushies. Look how bright they are. In fact, I'll get a photo for you because you won't be able to see it through that camera. Going to macro.
Here's a one that you can eat. Here's this one. You need to eat one for the rest of your life.
So there's a close up of them, and then you say, oh, here we go. Look at this cluster. There's some nice fresh dinner for you. Whoa. Have you seen the bright neon green ones?
What's that?
Neon green? No. I've got a photo of them and some bright neon blue ones as well. It was only growing on these certain two little bits of log, and I was like, what the fuck?
When,
Alright, I'll show you them later in the video.
Camping with Adam at Castle.
You can eat it.
Fuck that. What about this shit here?
Look at this one.
Yeah, that looks fucking trippy, eh?
That's rotted shit.
Is it?
Yeah, that's ghost mushroom.
Yeah. Wow.
You gotta go off track to see these things, eh?
Glow in the dark.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Oh, bullshit.
No shit.
Oh, well, we're staying in the dark.
Do they naturally glow or fluorescent? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, shit. I've got to see that, man.
Fuck yeah, hopefully it's dark enough on the way out. Oh, that's a cool one. Look at this
one.
one.
Take a photo of it now, and then when you look at your photo later in night time.
Yeah, hopefully it's charged up enough. That's a good shot.
Or if you put it in night mode on your phone.
Look at that one. That's a cool one. Love being out in the bush. You just don't see this sitting on the couch, do you? Nature at its finest. I'll stop going back. I need macro for other photos. Go back to the detection maps. So we're about to come down to the gully now. Not far off. Uh-oh. Dave's found something delectable. Ooh, what is that? Is that a big mushy? Ugh. The size of these suckers.
Eat it, Adam. Yum.
It's slimy. I'll get a good photo for you because it'll be slimy. So, do a bit of nature and mine exploring in this one, I think. Exploring nature and mines. There's your title. Let's get back to it. We got purple ones and we got blue ones. So we got the photos of those. Look at these little suckers. And I had two of the purple ones too. I'm seeing some colours. Alright, I'll fly home. I'll be sweet. Alright, let's keep at it. Shit. Straight down anyone? Nasty.
I might be to go if that can't come down.
Oof. And it already got smacked on top by lightning. It's blown out up there. I'll surely see that through the fisheye lens thing. Anyway, marching on.
Alrighty, so we're going to finish the episode up there, just because, as I said, the next episode is just the mine exploration after we descended down this hill. And it took us about 50 minutes to explore the mine, so plenty of footage coming up there. But thanks for watching the episode. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, give us a like, a comment, a share, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider doing so. Until next time, good luck and happy swinging. See you later.